Hey guys, it's Brendan Paleo Dude here with another Jurassic World toy hunt. We're in the Imaginext section here at Walmart. I'm in Edmonton. Can't remember which Walmart, but you can see they've got the basic action dinosaurs. I actually haven't really been doing Imaginext videos in the past, so might as well start now because there's some cool figures coming out. They don't have any of the miniature Jurassic World figures, just these like action ones and then the larger scale versions of the babies, but they usually have the Camp Cretaceous. Oh, I don't remember this being in Camp Cretaceous packaging. Maybe it was in the past, but that's very odd. I didn't notice that this was in Camp Cretaceous packaging. Maybe it's a variant. I'll have to check again and see, because again, I don't remember the larger scale babies being in Camp Cretaceous packaging, so that's interesting. But yeah, no smaller Camp Cretaceous babies in this section. So hope you guys enjoyed this toy hunt, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.